For this video, we're going to explore a fantastic way to make complex instructions simple and clear using ChatGPT. If you've ever struggled with explaining detailed processes, not to worry. We will demonstrate how to transform those complicated steps into easy to follow guidance, perfect for any setting, from classrooms to workplaces. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the instructions. Imagine you have a detailed process that you need to communicate clearly. We'll show you how you can organize your thoughts using ChatGPT. Here's how you can input your complex instructions and get a streamlined version. Let's say our demonstration example would be like a document for a science fair project instructions. So you can either copy and paste the whole text, or we can use it differently by using this one to attach file. You can upload it from a computer. Let's say this one. Here we go, Science Project Volcano. And after that, you can just type your prompt here, like make this, let's see, make these instructions entirely simplified. Here we go. Now, let's see how ChatGPT simplifies this. So, as you can see, ChatGPT has provided a simplified version of our detailed instructions. This response is much easier to follow, especially for middle school students, which will be the detail they'll be aiming for the science project instructions. Here we go. Now you can further refine these steps or add more details to fit your specific needs. Since ChatGPT right here has provided a simplified version, let's review it together and see if we can refine these steps to ensure they are accurate and relevant. Let's say here's another example prompt to refine the instructions further. Let's say, can you provide more detailed steps for conducting the experiment and analyzing the results? So let's see how ChatGPT adds more detail to our instructions. So as you can see, as it currently processes, by refining our prompt, we get even more detailed instructions from ChatGPT. These additional details can help ensure that every step of the process is clear and thorough, making it easier for middle school students to follow along and succeed in their science fair projects. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now let's customize these instructions to make them even more effective. Tailor the language to your audience and add any specific details that might be necessary. For example, if your audience is high school students and you're teaching them about volcanology, you might ask ChatGPT right here through another prompt, as you could add further details relevant to their experience level and the subject they will be learning. Let's put together this customized instruction prompt into ChatGPT and see what we get from it. Here we go. Can you customize these science project instructions to aim for high school students and the subject of volcanology? Here we go. Let's see how it goes. See, as you can see, ChatGPT helps refine the instructions, ensuring they are clear, detailed, and tailored to high school students. This makes the complex task of conducting a science fair project much more approachable and manageable for them. So, there you have it. Streamlining complex instructions with ChatGPT is a game changer. It saves time, reduces confusion, and, importantly, makes communication more efficient.